Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking your iPhone and opening Control Center. This puts controls within reach. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on because AirDrop uses both radios to negotiate the transfer. Next, tap AirDrop and choose contacts only for privacy or everyone to accept from any nearby device. Once done, stay on the screen you want to share from, because some apps expose the share sheet differently and you'll need it in the next step. With content open, tap the Share button. This summons the share sheet and shows AirDrop recipients near you. You'll see the recipient's name or device icon in the AirDrop row. Tap it to initiate the transfer. Why tap? Because choosing the correct device reduces accidental shares. After you tap, your iPhone signals the other device. Make sure they accept promptly. If they accept, the file transfers directly and appears in the appropriate app, Photos, Files, or finish by checking the receiving app to confirm the file arrived. Photos for images, files for documents, and so on. Once you're done sharing, turn AirDrop off or switch it back to contacts only to conserve battery and prevent unexpected transfers. If the other device doesn't appear, make sure both devices aren't sleeping, are unlocked, and within 30 feet. As a single troubleshooting tip, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then set AirDrop to everyone briefly. This often reestablishes discovery and solves stuck transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.